How you doing, YouTube? This is Brother One again with another YouTube video, and this time with a opening. I know I haven't done pack openings for a while. I'm broke, so I have to save up my money. Um, but today I'll be opening not one, not two, not three, but four Battle Pack Epic Dons. So, yeah. First pack, let's see what I get. As you know, I take everything from my phone, so I guess set it down. So, let's see what we get. We have a Mad Reloader, Ape Fighter. Ooh, Starfoil. Ooh, I like the Starfoil. Look at that. Ooh, I like that. Baban Nightmare. Okay. Gachi. Is this rare? I don't know. Yeah, it's rare. It's white rare. Okay. Gachi, and Raikou. And that's it for the first pack. That was very good pulls. I needed Raikou. Second pack. Wow, Gachi. That is excellent. If I pull Gaga Magician, Gemini Pearl, if I pull something like that, I will be extremely happy. Okay. Next we have Materia Strawberry. Okay. Ancient Gear Knight. I always like the Raging Flare Spirit. Oh, yeah, I've seen this before. Dark Magician of Chaos. And Interdimensional Transporter. That one wasn't as good as the other one. I like the black rare better than the white one. It just looks cooler because, you know, silver. Third pack. Come on, will I get a Gaga Magician? Oh my god, no. There's another. We have a return from the last pack. We have a card from the last pack. No. Materia Strawberry. Beast King Barbaros. Okay. Starfoil Dark Resonator. Black Rare Foxfire. And an Old Vindictive Magician. Okay. So, it's not bad. Beast King Barbaros is a very good pull. Let me see. I'm just separating the Starfoils. Sorry. And our last pack. Will we pull an Exceed? Well, another Exceed, because I got the Gachi, which I'm happy with. So this is the last pack. This one is kind of difficult to open. Okay, this pack, Gyroid, Abyssal King Shark. Okay. Starfoil, Interdimensional Matter Transporter. Okay. Put that over there with other Starfoil. Black Rare Creature Swap. And Half or Nothing. Okay. So, we didn't pull a Gaga Magician or a Gemini Pearl. I'm very sad about that. But we got some pretty good cards. Short little recap of what we got. We have our Starfoils. We have Interdimensional Matter Transporter Starfoil. I like the Starfoil look. Raging Flame Sprite. The Band Nightmare. And Dark Resonator for our Starfoil. And for our commons, sorry, I forgot to separate everything. Some some cards. At least I didn't get a whole bunch of banned cards. That would be bad. I got that rare. Gotcha, boy. Alright. For our commons, we have another interdimensional matter transport. Ancient Gear Knight, which the artwork is awesome. I know I have another. What's the other? Materia Strawberry, which is awesome. 1/2 or nothing. Abyssal King Shark, Gyroy, Old Vindictive Magician, Ape Fighter, Mad Reloader, and our best, in my opinion, pulls of the common, Raikou, and Beast King Barbaros, which I really wanted that Beast King. That will help out maybe for my ninja deck, because I can replace my beast. I can replace one of my beasts with this 3,000 attack, level 8. Make that Neo Galaxy Eyes very quickly. I have 3 black rares, which I'm happy. I have a bunch of black rares because I want the black rares. For our black rares, we have Dark Magician of Chaos, Foxfire, and the black rare creature swap. For the white rare, we have Gachi Gachi Gantetsu, which is a very good Xyz. So, yeah. That's about it. Let me know how I did so far. I really want the Gaga Magician. Even if I got a Goblinberg, which that would have been awesome, the Star Foil. I'm happy with pretty good what Star Foils I got. As you can see, I like this Star Foil thing. So, yeah. That's all I gotta say. Just spoil my point out. Peace.